You can use this touchscreen display and these control panel buttons to view information and adjust settings for various vehicle systems. The touchscreen selection menu allows you to access vehicle apps, the settings menu, Nissan Connect services powered by SiriusXM, and more. Swipe down on the touchscreen to display the quick settings screen, where you can adjust display and audio settings. The launch bar can be used to access notifications, home screen, map for vehicle navigation functions, audio to play media sources, phone to place a call, or climate control. Touch an item in the launch bar to switch screens. Swipe the screen right or left to view additional menu screens. These screens are customizable to include your preferred widgets. To customize the home menu screen, touch Settings, Customize Menus, then Customize Home Menu. Touch Add, then select the information you'd like displayed. Touch Save. You can also customize the home screen by touching and holding a widget, then dragging it to the desired location. The Settings key displays the settings for the screen that you're on. Touch the plus or minus keys to adjust the settings of an item. To return to the previous screen, touch this key. With 2 fingers, swipe the touchscreen display toward the vehicle information display to view information such as map or audio on the vehicle information display. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.